So I'm here at the school grounds in Alexandria Bay, which is a really nice big open space with some interesting stuff to fly through. We've got some jungle gyms over there, and we've got 3 different fields that are all pretty open and nobody's here. So I'm very excited to try out the GEPRC Rocket Lite today. I've been flying the Rocket quite a bit, the Rocket Plus. I think the Rocket Lite is going to be an interesting difference because it's lighter weight, it's not carrying as much. So I think this is going to feel really light by comparison. So let's check it out. Okay, so I just flew a 4S. Now I'm gonna try flying it with a 3S. I know it will fly with the 3S, but I want to see if it feels any different flying with a 3S versus a 4S. Okay, just to wrap up first impressions of the Rocket Lite. First of all, I mean, it's just amazing. I love the Rocket Plus. This thing, it's even a bit more fun to fly because it's lighter weight. It does well with a 3S battery. It does take a little more throttle to get it up in the air, but overall, just a blast to fly. You could see from the clips I was able to get through some really tight gaps, and I did crash quite a bit with it and did not break a single prop. As a matter of fact, I've only broken one prop on my Rocket. Maybe that means I'm not, my Rocket Plus, maybe that means I'm not trying hard enough, but just overall, can't say enough good things about this setup. It's the Rocket Lite, the DJI goggles, and the DJI controller with the Caddx Vista in it. It just is amazing. If you're thinking about getting into FPV, this is definitely not the first place to start. I'd probably start with the Tiny Whoop, but I would get this over a 5 or 6 inch racing quad any day if you're just getting started. The ducted props save you a lot of headache when you crash. The camera is well protected in here. Everything's well protected, and this thing really is not heavy enough to do a whole lot of damage if you crash it. And you can really crash those big quads bad, but this thing for me, along with the DJI system, because of the clarity that you get, it's not necessarily great for recording video, even though I did, and it's not too bad. If you want to record video, I would recommend getting the Rocket Plus, but for just tooling around like this and trying to get better at hitting gaps, it is amazing. Just, again, love this thing. I hope you know that's really sincere. So thank you, GEPRC, for making this and for sending me this one. I am probably going to get a couple more, maybe do a giveaway or something, I don't know. But if you like this video, I'd love to hear your comments about what you think about the DJI digital FPV system, as well as GEPRC and the Rocket Lite. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.